Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to actually get a free trial on Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your mobile device. Now tap on Pro in the top left corner. This will take you to the subscription page. Next, look for a plan that offers a free trial, which is usually available for new users. If you see options like a 1-month or annual plan, check if they mention a free trial. Some regions or accounts might not have the free trial option. Now tap on the plan that offers a free trial. Now sign in with your Google or Apple account and choose the account you want to use. If a free trial is available, it will show before confirming the payment. Make sure it says free trial instead of a price. If you don't see a free trial, it can mean you've already used one before, the free trial is not available in your region, or only specific plans offer a free trial. If there's no free trial, you can either subscribe or look for free editing apps as an alternative. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.